I wanted to share with you 3 compelling reasons why selling your house in San Francisco today could be a fantastic move. Reason number 1. High demand and limited supply. San Francisco's real estate market continues to attract eager buyers looking to invest in this dynamic city. However, the supply of available homes is limited, which can work to sellers' advantage. With fewer properties on the market, your house becomes a sought-after gem, leading to competitive offers and the potential for a higher selling price. Secondly, San Francisco's housing market has a history of strong price appreciation. By selling now, you have an excellent opportunity to capitalize on the city's upward trend in property values. While no one can predict the future, the city's track record suggests that selling at this time could yield a profitable return on your investment. And finally, changing market dynamics. Real estate markets are subject to shifts, influenced by various factors such as interest rates and economic conditions. The current lender market offers favorable conditions, including low down payments and rate buy-downs to those who are looking to purchase your property. By selling now, you can take advantage of these favorable dynamics and avoid potential risks associated with waiting for uncertain future circumstances. As your dedicated agent, I am committed to ensuring a smooth and successful selling experience. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, please don't hesitate to reach out. Give us a call today to get started.